what we wanted to do is we wanted to embed the local street culture, the street artists, the sneaker collectors that are in Singapore. Each gallery has a local component to it. And that is one of the toughest things that we've had to do here. But it's also more fruitful because not only can tourists only see it for the first time here, but the local visitors here will be able to relate. Obviously, street culture and all of that in Japan and Korea is really, really strong. COVID kind of stopped it. It gave us time to reconceptualize. And so like Steve and Honor briefly mentioned, to reconceptualize, re-strategize and develop a brand new Sneakertopia, which is why you see today it's such an elevated exhibition. It could go into an exhibition center. It could go into a gallery. It can go into a museum.